Hi there, future Riverside neighbor. Are you thinking about moving to Riverside, New Jersey? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Bob the Realtor, and I'm a local real estate agent here to make your move simple, smooth, and even fun. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to relocate to Riverside, step by step. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes Riverside, New Jersey, such a great place to live. It's a small town with a big heart, just a quick trip from Philadelphia. You'll find quiet streets, friendly neighbors, and great spots to eat, shop, and relax. Plus, the Delaware River is right here for anyone who loves water views or fishing. Riverside offers both charm and convenience, perfect for singles, couples, and families. Next up, let's talk about where to live. Riverside has a mix of housing options, from cozy bungalows to spacious family homes. You might like the downtown area, where you can walk to shops and restaurants, or maybe you'll prefer the quieter streets near Riverside Park. The best part? Riverside is known for being affordable compared to nearby towns. For families with kids, I know schools are a top priority. Riverside has great local schools like Riverside Elementary and Riverside Middle High School that serve the community. If you're considering private options, there are several nearby too. Wherever you choose, you'll find dedicated teachers and small class sizes. Moving can feel overwhelming, but here's how to keep it simple. 1. Set your timeline. Start planning at least 2 to 3 months before your move. 2. Hire movers early. Look for local companies familiar with Riverside streets. 3. Utilities and services. Make sure to transfer or set up utilities like electric, gas, and internet. Also, if you need help finding the perfect home, that's where I come in. I'd love to show you around and help you find the perfect fit. Once you're all moved in, it's time to enjoy your new hometown. Riverside has amazing local spots like Angelo's Pizza, a must-try for a slice of heaven. Riverside's annual Christmas parade, fun for the whole family. Riverside Park, perfect for picnics and outdoor activities. Make time to explore. You'll fall in love with Riverside even more. I hope this step-by-step guide made relocating to Riverside, New Jersey a little easier for you. If you have questions about moving here, finding a home, or learning about the area, drop me a comment or send me a message. I'd love to help. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos about living in and around New Jersey. Until next time, I'm Bob the Realtor, your Riverside real estate expert. See you soon.